In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily change the native language in Hellotalk. First, open the Hellotalk app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, tap on Me located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view and edit your account information. Next, tap on the profile icon, which is usually at the top of the screen. This will bring up your profile details including your name and current language settings. Now look for the language section below your name. Here you can see your current native language. Then tap on it to access the language selection options. If you want to add or change to more languages, tap on Edit Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will allow you to make changes to your language preferences. Now tap on Language to view a list of available languages. You can select your new native language from the options provided. If you're adding a new language, make sure to specify it as your native language. Once you've made your selection, simply save your changes and your native language will be updated. This will help you connect with language partners who are looking to practice the languages you speak. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.